So nice, 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 nice. Great stuff. So go join now, right? So excellent. Good to see you all. So let us now declare the shop open. Right. Shop is open now. Okay. We open the shop. Thank you. You made 75 pips in euro dollar today. You believe the session indicator to make more profits. Okay. Right. Well done for doing that. Well done for making those number of pips. We are glad that you made it. That is what this group is all about. It's all about making profit. It's all about joining the 5%. You have heard that story before. You've heard the statistics. 95%. Some people say 90. Some people say 98% make money. But you know what? We are part of the 5%. Baby, ladies and gentlemen, you are part of the 5%. If you made money in Forex, you are part of the 5%. So, welcome to the 5% group here. All right, so let's go for it. So, where do we start? So, let's start from the top today, okay? All right, so today looks like this for euro dollar, okay? Today looks like this for euro dollar. This is the story of euro dollar today. We have the box between 7 and 8 a.m. GMT. Okay. Depending on your broker, you need to set your time properly. And every morning, I come on the Telegram channel and I put a chart out, one single chart, a chart of, say, GBP USD, just to illustrate where your box should be. So that's one of the reasons why you should join the Telegram. So in the morning, you will see a chart will come up around about 5 minutes past 8 a.m. because we let the box finish at 8 o'clock. So anything from 5 minutes past, you will see the example of a box and all the candles that it covers. So what you need to do, even if you don't know your broker's time, this will help you. So what you do is you look at your chart. Look, for example, this chart, this candles. What time does it correspond on your own chart? Simple. So when you look at that time that it corresponds, just make sure you put that time in your indicator settings. In my own case, it is 9 to 10 a.m. because I am using IC market. Okay. IC market. But in your own case, it might be 6 to 7. It might be 12 to 1. It depends on where you are. So it is not easy for someone to tell you exactly what the time will be. You need to find it out. So that is why this box might be of help. So once you see the box and you look at your chart and say, oh, all right, I got it now. I got it now. Eureka! Excellent. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at this now together. Okay. So we see the story of today is that we break the upper range, the upper line here, which is the high of the hour. We broke it. In fact, we broke it within 15 minutes. Okay, so I think, okay, let's say 20 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Within 4 candles, we broke and we got the signal out. Okay, I remember people are talking about the signal when it came out, and you never know what is going to happen since then. You know, I mean, with the benefit of hindsight, now we know it went up. But when this box was formed, people were there in the morning. Okay, depending on where you are, it could be your night, but people were there, you know, taking the plunge of faith that look, there's a signal. SBS has given us a buy signal. Let's go for it. Someone might hesitate and say, oh, I'm not sure. I don't know yet. Let me wait. Let me wait and see. Okay. Some people want to do some other confirmation, which is okay. You know, if you have a different way of, you know, kind of streamlining it, that's fine. You can do that personally. Okay. So we got into the trade here. So the veterans, you know the answer already. So let me ask you the question now. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that we can get here. Okay, fingers on the buzzer today. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Where is our trigger candle? Number one, this big bullish candle. Number one, this inside candle. Number two, and this third bullish candle, number three. So it's 1, 2, or 3. Which is the trigger candle? Ladies and gentlemen, fingers on the buzzer, please. 1, 2, or 3. Okay. Are we able to trade same way for New York Open? Sorry about that. It's too, the time is not convenient for you, right? Okay. Yeah, that's New York session is another chance, but we just need to prove that it work. You know, so proving means that it needs to be consistent. So if it does work for 1 or 2 days, it's not of any good to us if it doesn't work for the last 3 months, 6 months. Okay. All right, so 75 pips today. Good for you, Terry. Yeah, we are part of the 5%, baby. All right, Terry, you can get the indicator right at the Telegram channel. Okay, I've given you the Telegram channel. Go back there, click it, join it. Go to the files and download the indicator. You see it. It's called Sessions MQ4. All right, number 3. Number 3 says the captain. Number 3 says Terry. Number 3 says Echo. Ronki 3. The trade guy, okay, 3. NC 3. Y2K 2003. Robert 3. Great stuff. That is fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, so we decided that it's number 3. Let's check it out. Okay, if you tell me your answer is number 1, you are completely wrong, because no one is wrong here today. If you tell me it's number 2, you are completely wrong. No one is here. No one is wrong here today. And if your answer is number 3, you are absolutely top gem. You are the top man and the top woman. Great stuff. Well done. Okay. So definitely it is number 3. Because as you know, number 3 is not touching the line. So it is our trigger candle. And once we find that trigger candle, that elusive trigger candle, we track it down. You know, like a hunter, we hunt it down. And we get to, they say, stop there. You can't go any further. We found you. So once we find our trigger candle, we make sure we identify it properly. Say, yeah, that's our trigger candle. Oh, you know what? Yeah, that's our trigger candle here at the close of candle number 3. That is it. That candle number 3. I hope you can see it properly. Or if you want me to expand it, I can expand it more. So if you're able to see, that's fantastic. Okay, actually, yes. So for benefit of doubt, let me expand it so you can see. Okay. So this is candle 1, as we said, 2 and 3. So this is the trigger candle. Okay. So I'm going to go back to zoom out. Okay. So we know the trigger candle. Now the question is, what is our stop loss? Okay. Stop loss is the lower line. So when you buy, your stop loss is the lower line. If you sell, your stop loss is the higher line. Okay. And the second question, as you all know, is what is the take profit target? Okay. The take profit target this time around will be the size of this box. So let's measure it. Today is 14.6. It looks like 14.6 yesterday as well. Maybe not. All right. So 14.6. Let's round it off 15. Let's make it 15 so it's easy for us to calculate and to multiply. So we then say TP1 is 15 pips. Okay. So let us zoom out so we can see a whole lot of pips available for you to collect today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, loads of pips, loads of pips. Your bag is gonna be full. When you get to the bank today and say, hey, I'm coming back from office, they say, where's your office? I say, yeah, it's in my bedroom. What sort of job are you doing in your bedroom? Oh, I'm a trader. Oh, good. That sounds very nice. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for 15 pips from here. And how many did Mr. Forrest give us instead of 15? Mr. Forrest is very happy today. In fact, Mr. Forrest gave us 60. You can see, we're looking for 15 pips, but Mr. Forrest decided to give us 60 pips. Do the maths. That is TP1, 2, 3, and 4. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Because TP1 is 15 pips, TP2 is 30 pips, TP3 is 45 pips, TP4 is 60 pips. So on Euro Dollar, we got 60 pips today if you got to TP4. But I'm aware that not everybody goes as far as TP4. Majority get to TP1 and 2, which is fantastic. So what's the bad news? You made 15 pips today. Hurrah! You made 30 pips today. Great. You made 60 pips today. That's fantastic. Well done to everybody. Well done. Okay, any question now? Any question? Okay, any question? Right? Any question from anybody? Any question for anyone? So we move to the next one. Okay? So let's move to the next one, which is the USD Swiss francs. Gee! This is even too much now. This is too much. This is too much now. So we see here. Okay, now we're going to slow down. We have to slow down now and explain to the people that are coming here for the first time. So if you are here for the first time, identify yourself. Let's see your finger. Type in there. And Temi is here already. We know you. Luna is here. Joel is here already. We know about him. Felix, any new person today? So that we can slow down. Otherwise, we continue at our high speed. We continue at our high speed. So if you are new, let us know. Otherwise, we move on fast. Okay, the train is going to leave the station very shortly. Train is going to leave the station very shortly. So if you are new, let us know you. Just say new. Just say new, then we can slow down. All right. Okay, so this is the USD chef today, right? So we got from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. We got the candle here. Okay, Stanley, welcome. Thanks for identifying that. So therefore, I am going to reduce my speed for the next 3 or 4 minutes. So veterans, bear with us, okay? Now, this is the box here. It's between the hour of 7 and 8 a.m. GMT. And you have to convert that to your broker's time. Okay, don't make mistake of not checking what your broker's time is. So once you've done that, the box is drawn, because you will get an indicator that will draw the box for you. So the indicator is already on the Telegram channel. It's called Session Indicator, and that's the Telegram channel link. Go there, download the indicator, Sessions Indicator, and put it on your chart and put the time. So once you've done that, you will see this box drawn for you. Okay, once the box is drawn, your business now is to start looking for a candle that falls outside of the box. So you're looking for the candle that is formed outside of the box and never have to touch the box at all, completely out of the box, so it doesn't touch the box anymore. So now if you look at this big bearish candle here, you definitely know that even though it is a little bit outside the box, Let me expand it more so you can see better. Yeah, this candle here is half of it or part of it is outside the box, but part of it is inside and is touching the line, so we are not interested in that. However, the second one, look at the second one. If you look very carefully, you will see that it is not touching that line. There's still a small gap between this and the line. So that is the candle we are looking for. This is candle we are looking for. That's our trigger candle. Okay, so that's why we chose that. But if you are not sure whether it is touching or not touching, you just leave it and pick the next one that you are 100% sure. But from the advantage I have here, looking at it directly with my 2 pair of eyes and helped with another 2 pair of glasses. So that means 4 pair of eyes. That means I can see that it is not touching. Okay, and that's the final. Anybody wants to argue with that? That's the final. joking, right? All right, okay, yeah, it's not touching. Yeah, it's not touching. Okay, so this is the light. This is the candle here, and we're gonna mark that as our that is our trigger candle, and this is where we sell from. Remember, you have to take your trade at the close of that candle. Whatever candle is your trigger candle, at the close you take your trade. Okay, so now let us zoom out so that we can see what happened. Okay, by the way, when you sell at this point, everybody in this channel know our stop loss is right there at the top. Okay, you can allow 1 or 2 pip gap there. That is discretionary. It could be 1 pip, it could be 2 pip, it could be 5 pip, whatever you are comfortable with, just to make sure that if you try to test this line again, it doesn't just take you out immediately. So, but you can see we never even got near anything called stop loss. It's all down from here. So the next question is, what is your take profit? So our take profit is actually the size of this box, the difference between the higher line and the lower line, the high and the low of the hour. That is our TP. So today TP is small for here. Let's just call it 10 pips. This is 10.3. So let's, for argument's sake, let's say it's 10 pips. So we operate 2 take profit targets at the minimum, right? So we say TP1 will be the size of the box. TP2 will be twice the size of the box. So now you can see that we have opportunity to close our trade. The first profit target, it's reached here, 10 pip. The second profit target is reached right about here, 20 pips. So your job done. You close the shop, you're going home. But there's still plenty on the table. You got to 30 pips as TP3. You got to TP4. You got to TP5, 50. Yeah, TP5. Yeah, TP5. Yeah. So for USD, Swiss francs, you got up to TP5. Great. Excellent. Okay. Any questions? Let me know. Same thing apply to GBP USD today, ladies and gentlemen. It's all way to the bank today. Any question, anybody? Any question? Okay, so new but not new to this strategy. Oh, great stuff, great stuff. Welcome. Okay, Swills, welcome. You are welcome, right? Edic, you are welcome as well. Nice to see you guys. Nice to see you all here. So this is a simple breakout strategy. So the premise, the idea behind this strategy is that the direction of the day will be determined by the first hour of trading. So this is European session starts. So they started right here, and when we calculate the high and the low of that 1 hour, if the high is broken, we go long. If the low of the hour is broken, we go short. But we don't do that blindly, okay? We don't just go short or go long. We wait for our own proprietary way of finding out the candle, Okay, so that our proprietary way is to look for candle which does not touch the line. So for this particular one, which is the GBP USD, all right, so I can see, let me expand it more. Okay, look, I can see this candle doesn't touch this first candle, exactly touch it. It's actually in between it, but this next candle is free. So this candle 2 is our candle. It's the candle we are looking for. This candle here, that's our candle. That is the trigger candle. Okay, so you know the trigger candle, and of course you know the stop loss is going to be here. Okay, you want to download the indicator, you go to the Telegram channel. I think it's better to download it from here now. It's called sessions.mq4. The name is sessions.mq4. Look for the file and download it. It's 5 minutes. You put it on 5 minutes. It works only on 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. So now we know that this is our buy position, this is our stop loss, and then we're looking for our take profit target, which is the size of this box. Good size. I like this one. Pound, dollar, cable, 30 pips. G. So you are looking for TP1, 30 pips. TP2, 60 pips. If you go up to TP3, 90 pips. If you go up to TP4, 120 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, let us see what Mr. Forex were able to give us today. Let us see what Mr. Forex is able to give us today from here. All right, so from here, we're looking for 30 pips. TP1, we got it here. TP2, 60, we got it here. TP3, we got TP3 there, 95. So for GBP USD today, we got TP1, 2, and 3. Excellent. Anybody want to see anything else? Okay, USD card. Flanders, you want to see USD card. All right, USD card. There we go. This is your... Ooh, jeez. What's going on today? What is happening to the market today? US is just, it's falling like a pack of cats, It's just falling seriously. All right, so look at that. Look at that. You have a small box today. That's just the negative about it is the box is small. You want a big box today, like one massive box like this. You want a massive box like this that you can take 2 TP1 and TP2. But unfortunately, it is small box. But you know what? You will take it, man. Take the profit. If the box is not too small, because sometimes I advise you, if the box is like 5 pips, that might be too small. Let's see what this box is. Oh, it's not small. It looks small, but it's actually 14 pips. It's not small at all. 14 pips. Man, how many TP do you think you can have here? Okay, let's take a guess. How many TP do you think you can have here? TP1, TP2. How many do you think you can have? Any idea? Hey, TP 1000, TP 10,000, right? That's interesting. TP 10,000, right? So a lot of money on the table today for this person, for this one, yeah. Okay, so trailing stop is a good idea for this kind of today's trade. You can see if you trail your stop today, it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be a fantastic opportunity. You could, let's see what is the maximum available today. Let's see where we get in first. So we get in here at the close of this little candle here. That is the breakout box. That's our candle. So let's see the maximum available. Maximum available from 14 pips target. Now we got 158. 160. We got 160 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, from 16 or 15 pips target, and you have 160 available. So take your pick. Which one do you want to take? You know. Anybody want to see anything else? German 30. Let's see German 30 today. German 30. Dutch Mac. Okay, Dutch Mac. Where are you, Dutch Mac, today? Okay. So apparently for Dutch Mac today is not following the trend of Forex today. So probably the good news or the bad news is from the Forex industry, right? So you can see this is not a great one for German today. Luna, you say 160 pips. Good. That's great. 90p. 5 TP. So if you divide 160 by 15, let's see that. 160 by 15 pips. How many did you get? I'm taking out my calculator now. 160. I'm sure some people can calculate that off head. By 15 pips. 10. That's 10. We got 10 TPs. Jeez. 10 TPs, ladies and gentlemen. 10 to 11 TPs. Even if you plan for it, I'm sure you can't get that 10 TP. You get 1 or 2 and you go home. Or you get 3 or 4. Yeah. Even if you manage to get 6, like Y2K. All right, let me ask you one question. Who traded this today, and what is your maximum TP you get? Be honest, because I'm going to come and check your account. How many TP did you get today if you traded this? Be honest, because you're gonna show me the proof. Joking, right? How many TPs did you get? How many TPs did you get today? How many TPs did you get? So that we're looking at that. How many TP do you get for USD card? Yeah? How many TPs? You did get. You got 5 TP. Excellent. Okay. That's interesting. 5 TP is not bad. So you got to the halfway. Good. So halfway, good. To set a trailing stop, let me show you a video. One of my videos. Hang on. If you go to my YouTube channel, go to our YouTube channel, look for the ATR. It's called the ATR stop. Let me look for it here. I'll just ping it to you. That should help you sort that one out. Okay. So this is the one. Okay, so for the ATR, ladies and gentlemen, you can watch that video. That video is for how to trail your stop. You might use the ATR stop indicator, but actually you can do it manually as well, with a fixed number of pips. So let's say you are trading this and your TP is actually 15 pips, right? So you can use that 15 pips as your trailing stop. Okay, so let's use this our profit now, this line. So you go to 15 pips, you make your 15 pips, you close trade number 1. Okay, trade number 1, go. So now the price got to TP2. You move your stop. So the price got to TP2 here. You move your stop to TP1. and your price, your trade close. Your trade move again to TP3 or TP4. You move this one to TP2. Have I missed the number? Okay, you get to TP4, you move it to TP3. You go to TP5, you move to TP4. You go to TP6, you move to TP5. It goes to TP7, you move it to TP6. It goes to TP8, you got to move it to TP7, and so on and so forth. It doesn't mean that you are going to be able to track it to the end, because when there's a big reversal, you might be taken out, and so what? You are taking out at TP5 or TP7 or TP4. That's good news, right? Brilliant news. Excellent. Okay, what do you want to see again? JP Morgan. Flanders want to see JP Morgan. JP Morgan. Who wants to see JP Morgan? All right, so now we see. So let's quickly rush through all this. So today looks like they are good for almost every currency today. That is USD, Japanese yen. Looks brilliant. This is New Zealand US dollar. You can see that could even supersede the TP10. This could be more than TP10 the way I'm looking at it. I'm not going to check it out. But ladies and gentlemen, remember, this is not the usual. This is not the common way it happens. Okay, so we do get days like this, but don't base your expectation on this type of happening. It does happen once in a while, where you can milk, and you go to the farm, milk the cow, and then you come back home with plenty of milk. All right, but today is such a day. But be careful not to base your expectation. Tomorrow you are looking at something like this. It might not happen. So don't be disappointed when tomorrow comes. Tomorrow shall come. When tomorrow comes, let me show you what you might see tomorrow. GE30. Why is that DE30? When tomorrow comes and you see something like this, oh my goodness, they didn't show me this. I mean, yesterday they showed me a straight line. Today they show me some awkward looking charts. That's what happened in Forex or in trading in general. Okay, so yesterday, well, it will be different from today. Today will be different from tomorrow. Good stuff. So let's go back to where we are coming from, ladies and gentlemen. So we're coming from New Zealand. So we said it's a good for New Zealand. What about USD Japanese yen? Fantastic as well. Aussie dollar. Wow, that is also going to be like TP4, TP what? TP5, 8, 10. Aussie card, like Aussie card. Even with Aussie card, you will still make good money. Even the way it's looking, you could still make good pips here. All right, even though it doesn't look straight, but from the look of things, TP1, TP2 will be secured here. Aussie chef. Oh, great stuff. Aussie chef. Okay. So let's stop there. Let's stop there. Who wants to see something else? Okay. Aussie Japanese yen. Oh wow. Aussie Japanese yen. Aussie New Zealand. Even with this setup, it's still a great trade. Still a great trade. Okay. Now who's there? Crypto. USD Japanese yen. We've seen that, haven't we? USD JPY. This is USD JPY. Yes. I think we analyzed that. Okay. If you have not, let's quickly analyze it. I believe we did. But if we have not, we are going to do it quick. Yes. So USD Japanese yen. This is our candle here. This candle. This is it. This is the candle. No. We said it was this candle. Yeah. This candle. I think we did analyze it before. Yeah. We did the analysis. So this has given us like TP4, thereabout. Maybe TP4 or more than that. Okay? Right. JP Morgan. GPP USD. We've done that. We've done cable already. We did cable. This is cable. We've done that. In fact, you can see the analysis is still here. We've done cable. All right. So let's go check something else. Let's check. Right. Before I change it to JP, because for the JP 225, I will need to change the indicator settings. So I want to see what we can see first before I do that. Anybody else see something else? All right. Okay. So shop is going to close in a moment. So if you have any order, make your order quick. All right. So let us go and check. Let's go and check. Okay, Nikkei. All right. Nikkei. JP225. Okay. For the Nikkei, we set the time to different time here. Time will not be 9 to 10. The time will be 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Because we are looking at the Asian session for this Nikkei. Asian session for Nikkei. So let's see where it comes out from. Okay. Look at that. Look at where this little Nikkei come out from. It's coming out from here. It's coming out from here. And this little Nikkei, you're going to go into that trade after the close. Let's see properly. Yes. You're going to go into that trade after the close of this candle here. After the close of this candle here. All right. So you're going to go into that trade after the close of that candle. And your take profit target is here. Take profit target is, let's call this one 78 pips. Or let's just round it up to 80 pips, right? 80 pips. So you are looking for 80 pips. But remember, your stop loss will be at this line here. This lower line is your stop loss since you are buying. So you are looking for 80 pips. So now let's see what we got. From this line here, we got 80 pips target, but now we got 256. So if I do the math correctly, 80 multiplied by 4 is 240. Is that correct? 8 times 1 times 2 times 3. Good. So 240. So we got TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. And then we go home. Excellent. Anybody else want to see anything else? Yes. So it is. Yes. So in fact, you got to TP4 actually. You are able to get to TP4. Excellent. Okay. So yes, it is 2 to 3 on IC market. Yes. France. Yeah, 2 to 3 on IC market. It's a great strategy with the inclusion of the Asian session for JP225, courtesy of Flanders. So, ladies and gentlemen, 320. Good. Yes. Good stuff. Joshua. Welcome, Joshua. I hope you have you've heard what we have said so far. Okay, if you have not, this video will become available very soon. You can go there and watch it, and you can recap what we have said. Okay, Adekunle, you want to see GBP USD? All right, we'll do that for you. This is GBP USD. There you go. We've done the analysis before, but this time we need to change our time back. Let's come back to live. Let's come back to Europe. So 2, no, not 2. Europe is 9 to 10. That's IC market, 9 to 10. But check your broker's time, okay? The real time is 7 to 8 GMT. Check your broker's time, what it is, okay? So for GU, that's where the box is here. And when we're doing the analysis, that's where our box was here, all right? For GU today, I think we did the TP1 to 4 or more than that. Right. You came late. Don't worry. You're not new, so most of this is not new to you, right? So it's not new, so you are not too late. You are still within the rates. Good stuff. Good to see you all today. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, what's happening? So, I have watched the 3 videos and I'm happy with the strategy. Thank you so much. A lot of people are happy with the strategy. In fact, I will tell you, if you go to the Telegram channel, you can share your experience there. You can share your experience on the Telegram channel. Feel free to say whatever you want to say. You know, we don't restrict anybody from making good comment or whatever comment you want to make, provided it's the straightforward, honest comment, not a dodgy one. USD cards. Oh, Mohammed, you want to see? I think we saw it as well. Ooh, we saw this as well. This is like you're on a train station and you say, look, I want to travel from point A to point B, and the train took you from point A to point Z. That is what's going on here. So don't worry, it's for free. It's a free ride today. You don't have to pay. I'll take you as far as you want to go. Right. Good stuff. So, is there a Telegram group? Yes, there is. There is a Telegram group. I thought I sent it already. Yeah, I've sent it a few times today already, my friend. Shadrach, yes. This is the Telegram group. That's the Telegram group. And all these people that you are seeing here today, they are all on Telegram group. Oh, Ronki, you want to see gold? Look, I like gold. Gold might not be good, but you know what? Why not even look at Bitcoin? Has anybody actually checked Bitcoin? Sorry, Ronki, let me quickly look at Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin did today. Hey, Bitcoin, right. Bitcoin gave us 2 moves. The first move up, the first move up is also going to give us some TP1 from the look of things. I think we got TP1 from the first move. And I'm going to quickly do the analysis and I will jump to gold. Okay, so this is where we enter from the close of that candle. So we are looking for how many pips? We are looking for 54. Let's call it 54 pips. This is our trade. Yeah, that's our trade there. That is where we enter from, and we're looking for, do we say 54? Let me just remember that. Yeah, we say 54. So let's see, do we manage to get 54 pip from Bitcoin today? If you're a Bitcoin trader, 54 pips. Yes, we did. This is 60 something, 63. So we get TP1 there, and then you got another trade here, and let's see how many pips we are able to rake from this one. Let's see where we actually got into the trade. I think we got to the trade right at this candle, and we're looking for 54 pips from there. How many do we get? We got 153. So that is nearly TP1, TP2, TP3. Oh, great stuff. Crypto, where are you doing? What are you doing? All right. Yes. Let's see what comment. What was your video on trailing stop? Can you send us the link? Yes, I did send it, but I will send it again. How to use the average true range. That is what the video is called. Okay. This is a fantastic video. If you look at the date on that video, let me check. Date on that video should be 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, it was done in 2017, and up to today, people are still asking for that video. They are still watching and subscribing to that video, getting that indicator, because you know what, it's a very good way of trailing your stop. Okay. To download the session indicator is very easy. Just go to Telegram channel. In the Telegram group, in the group, you look for the files. There are loads of files there, but the one you are looking for is called the sessions indicator. It's called sessions. SESSIONS.MQ4. That's what you are looking for. When you get to the group, search for that indicators in the group, and then you plug it right into your chart. Plug it right into the chart. There you go. There you go. Okay. Oh, you're in Nigeria. Okay, people from Nigeria, please help Joshua out, please. All right, Telegram group. Yes, I just sent it. I think you'll have seen it in the chat. Right. Okay, if your box is large, you know what? If you come into the Telegram group every morning at the close of the hour we're analyzing, I will send out a chart. That chart will have the box. It will have the box, and it will show you exactly where the box starts from and where the box ends. So even if you don't know the broker's time you are using, just look at the box on the chart and make sure your box line up exactly at the same time. It cannot be easier than that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Right. You're in Zambia. Yeah, same thing apply to anywhere. Just check what your time zone is. Gold. Okay, give me what is the name for gold you are looking for? Is it the XAU or the XAG? Which one are you looking for, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. Which one are you looking for? Which one are you looking for, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, AU, USD, USD, where are you? All right, AU, USD, all right, XAU, USD. This one here, this is the baby here. As a gold. All right, see, who suggested the gold? I think you're making it today. You have milked the whole money in Forex. This guy has taken the whole money out of Forex market today, man. Felix, welcome. Good to see you, Felix. Good to see you, Crypto. Mahabulani, good to see you. What's the name of the Telegram group? The name is called, what's it called again? It's called Simple Breakout Strategy. Simple Breakout Strategy. Well, let me just send it to you. I'm sure a lot of people have it there already, but nevertheless, let me send it. I will send it to you. There we go. That's the Telegram group for you. So click it now before the link disappear and join. Yes, okay, Ronki, I'm with you now. I am with you now. Okay, all right, let's do the gold. Let's do the gold. Right, I'm with you now. Okay, so gold time. This is the golden hour. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the golden hour. What does that mean? Shop is going to be closing very shortly, so make your last order, because the shopkeeper, your boy the shopkeeper, is going to be going soon. All right. All right, so this is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's analyze this now. Okay, both new members and old and veterans. I don't call anybody old, because that is not an interesting word. So there's no old member here. We're all veterans here, veterans in the trade. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Everybody, fingers on your buzzer. I need to see your fingers on the buzzer. Okay, and I want an answer quick. So if you don't give me the answer, I know you. Yeah. All right. So now, before I ask the question, ladies and gentlemen, listen to me carefully. This is a tricky question, and I want people to look at it before they answer. Even veterans, yeah? Make sure you listen to the question properly and try to pick what I'm trying to get at. Okay? Now, candle 1, candle 2. Which one is our breakout candle? 1 or 2? Breakout candle 1 or 2? Answer, please. Which is the breakout candle? Candle 1 or candle 2? Candle 1 or candle 2? Which one is the breakout candle? Ladies and gentlemen, number 19. All right. It seems I can only use the indicator on the London Open due to the time setting 0 to... No, the indicator has 3 different zones that you can use. It has London, it has Euro, Asia, and America. So you can set it to any of those 3 regions, but we decide to use just one. Okay, so it's none. G. Okay, the trade guy, you think it's number 2. All right. Okay. All right. Omar think it's nothing. Okay, France is nothing. Adekunle says none. Okay, Luna says none. Okay. All right. Okay, good. You see the reason why sometimes you need to understand the strategy you are trading. Okay. So when you understand the strategy you are trading in and out, if you have an indicator or even an expert advisor that is trading rubbish, what do? You shut it down. You say, hey, shut down, because you are wrong, because I know what I'm doing. That's professional. Okay. You don't want one indicator or one expert advisor and run away with the whole of your account, because yourself you are in doubt whether the indicator is better than you or the EA is better than you. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for this great answer. The answer is correct. Okay. There is no trade here. Okay. So it's a tricky question because I want to catch you out, and I think I did manage to catch one person out. Sorry about that. I put you on the spot. You've been a great person already, any great trader. So listen here. Now this one, let's see where we got our candle here. Where we get our candle. I think we got it from here. Yeah, this is our trigger candle, because even the second one here didn't touch as well. Okay, so let's do it. So this second one did not touch, so that is our trigger. Okay, so I'm doing this for Ronki, who is asking for gold. Okay, all right, so the gold I have is what I'm giving now. Okay, so now we know that our take profit target is huge. It's a massive whooping 56 pips. So let's see if we get 56 pips in this trade. Of course we did. This is 60. This is 69. In fact, we near 70 pips, and we're looking for 56 pips. So that is fantastic. It means that we succeed in getting our TP1. Hey, see what happened again. Let's do it this way. You see what happened? We got our TP1 right there. Okay. And then we have some buyers thinking, look, today is not going to be selling all day. We want to push it up. We want to get this thing up again. Gold is going to be raining again once again today. They push it up to the, what we call this line again. Anybody remind me? Resistance line. It got to the resistance line, and we got our sellers back. The sellers are already waiting at the line and say, come on, let's push this thing back to where it belongs to. Let's send it down. So now, while they are scrubbing together, buyers and seller, you are busy setting up your trigger point. SBS is setting up the trigger point for you, while these buyers and sellers are struggling whether they want to go up or down, resistance line, support line. Then you got into another sell here, and you are looking for another 56 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking for 56 pips again. Let's see whether you get that. Ladies and gentlemen, you not only got 56 pips, you got 146. So that's TP1 and TP2 for gold. Okay, so what have we done today? We've done TP1 56. We've done TP1 and 2 56, another 56. So you're looking at about 170 pips on gold alone. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you earlier that there's a caveat to this. So it's not going to happen like this tomorrow. I can guarantee you. It might look like this, but it's not going to be exact. There will be difference. So tomorrow it could be zigzag, right? Zigzag. It could be no trend. So you have to be aware of that, okay? And you have to be prepared. So that's why when it goes well, don't be overjoyous over celebrating it, because you know another time when it goes bad, at the same time you don't want to be too sad or too despondent, saying things like, oh, I'm dead, or it's killed me, I'm finished, I've blown my account. All those things, they are not professional way of trading, right? Professional way of trading is to maintain your balance, okay? Maintain your equilibrium, okay? When things are going very well, make sure you take the advantage. When things are not going well, make sure you learn your lesson. And when you learn your lesson, you take it forward into the next trade, okay? And stop asking the same question over and over and over again, because it shows that you are not learning. So for you to learn, you got to understand something and apply it. So when you apply it, you become professional, you understand it, and you become good at it. Excellent. So sorry for ranting, and I just want to make sure that you got a pint. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, who wants to know something else? Anything else? Oh yes, it went bearish, right? It went bearish. Okay, good. Thank you so much. How do I change the session? Okay, for last time, I'm gonna show you the indicator for the benefit of those people who are joining for the first time. It's called sessions. Okay, sessions. Okay, all right. So session has Asia begin, Asia end. So if you want to trade Asian session, you remember what we did when we were trading JP 225, the Nikkei. We put 2 to 3 somewhere here, so we can actually put 2 to 3 here if you want to do all the sessions, right? So the next one is Euro begin, Euro end. What time does Euro start? What time does it end? Remember, this time must be your broker time. It must correspond to your broker time, not the country you are from, not the area you are from. It is the broker's time. It is shown on your MT4 platform. Okay, it will show broker time. Here it says 23:04. That's 11 p.m. That is IC market. For example, I'm here. My local time is 21:04, not 23. It's 21:04. But I wouldn't go here and then put my local time here. No, I won't put my local time here. I will put this broker time inside here. Okay, good. So now we know we are not trading Asia. That is why we set the color to none, because we don't want to see it on the chart. But we do want to see Euro session on the chart. We only want to see 1 hour of that session, 9 to 10. We made the color purple. The third option that is available to us is the US session. Do you want to trade US session for this strategy? No, we don't want to trade it. Therefore, we set the color to none. Okay? Even though you put time here, it wouldn't show on your chart because the color is none. Okay? Right? That's why the only thing that is showing on your chart is this purple color, which is the European session. Okay, so you know it is possible you trade the three together if you like. You can put the Asian session here, Europe session here, and you can put also USA session here. You can try that on demo, see how it goes. You know, let me show you something quickly. All right, so let's say you are practicing. This is just a practice. You say, okay, you want to try all these sessions and see how it goes. So you put 2 to 3 for Asian session. Let's say we call that any color you like. Let's call it green. And okay, that's green color. Let's leave the Europe session there. And let's say you want to make an attempt at a US session. US session, let's say it starts at 13. And let's say we end it at 14. Okay, let's say we start at 14, 13 and end it at 14. let's make the that color. Let's make that color whatever we want to make it. What? Let's make it yellow. Whatever. So now you have three things going on for you now, right? You okay? Let's make yeah, yellow. So now you got US session is yellow, Euro session is purple, and Asia session is green. Okay, 2 to 3 green, 9 to 10 purple, 13 to 14 yellow. All right. So when you have those three, you click OK. You should now see 3 different colors on your charts. All right. So now we have 3 different colors. Let me zoom so you can see. Now you are looking at Asian session. This is how people can make cool box. Good stuff. I'm laughing. All right. So someone might wake up in the morning, early morning, or depending on the time of your day, and say, look, I want to try the Asian session. So this guy wake up here, he kill the Asian session, right? So he wake up here, he kill the Asian session. That is TP1, probably TP2, maybe TP3. He went to bed for 15-20 minutes. He wait for the Europe session to start. He said, okay, good, Europe session, there we go. He kill it, another TP1, TP2. He waited for US session to start. US session start. He got tricked into one trade. Maybe he got stopped out because this is a US session. He got tricked into one trade. Say no worries. Okay, he got stopped out. But what? And so what? He got into another one here, and he made his TP1, TP2. Okay, so this same guy in the space of 24 hours has killed the market in 3 places. I'm not suggesting you do that. That's why I put a caveat initially that this is just for a demo for you to check it out. Okay, so and to show you that the indicator could work the way you want it to work. It's there. You can use it for any of the session you prefer. But for now, let's come back to reality. So that's why now when I check this, I say, look, I don't want any color. So it means that Asian will no longer be showing there. I leave the Europe session. And I say, look, man, I don't want you, America session. No, I don't want to trade you for now. None. So even though I haven't touched the times of these other 2, I just change the color to nothing. You see now they will disappear. Okay, they disappeared. Now we are back to our usual territory. Good stuff. Okay, I hope this was fantastic today. Okay, US session, USD JPY. Okay, so you like to use USD JPY for US session? All right. The new people, I hope you got it today. I think we went to extra length to accommodate you. So we are glad that you joined us. So we are glad. And it's great if you can go there now on Telegram. For the last time, if you have not been there, go on the Telegram channel and sign up. Okay. So the last bit of information I'm going to tell you is that I'm going to bring something fantastic out very soon. You know, I major into mentoring people, and you guys have been asking me all these years, when are you going to start mentoring us? So be on the lookout. It's coming very soon. So it's cooking. It's in the oven. It's cooking. But let me tell you, it's going to be first come, first serve. Because, you know, if 30,000 people or 40,000 people want me to mentor them, you know, that is impossible, right? It is absolutely manic. You're going to kill me. You're going to kill me. You're going to tear me apart. So it's going to be like maybe first 5 people or 10 people or something I can deal with, right? So I know you guys want it, you know, and I know you believe that you can make it, and you have a good vision for yourself. I believe that as well. So be on the lookout. Don't waste time. If it comes today, you must jump on the opportunity. But it's still cooking, right? It's still in the oven. I'm still adding some salt and sugar, you know, peppers and Maggi, and I'm trying to make it look very nice. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, shop is about to be closed. Okay, shop is closing very soon. Shop is closing. Oh, Luna, thank you so much, Luna. I know. You'll be surprised. I know we have a lot of friends here who is going to benefit immensely from it. So we will push it out. We'll push it out very soon, very soon. So thank you so much, everybody. I enjoyed your company today. I hope you do my company as well. Let's rock the Telegram channel again. Let's rock it. Let's rock it. What number are we? Let me check it. How many are we now? Okay. Because we have given ourselves a target. Somebody has said to us we need to hit what number? Some kind of ridiculous number. Maybe we can do it. So we are now 350, 354. So we are growing. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Luna, will you send me the double MACD strategy, please? Okay, I can send you. Go on the YouTube and ask for it. It shall be yours. No question asked. It's free of charge. FOC. Ladies and gentlemen, I know people are still joining this YouTube channel of this live session. I can see the number is going up. But unfortunately, we have to end tonight. I got to go and eat. I got to go and eat my fill the tank. And I got to get ready for tomorrow. And I guess you guys want to do the same. Okay? So today has been fantastic for everybody. And I hope tomorrow will be better. Okay? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I will talk to you very soon. Okay, you want the link to Telegram. Okay, finally, I'll send it to you again. Telegram link. There you go. There's the Telegram link. So click that as soon as possible and join. Good night, everybody. Good day, everybody. And good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Take care. Cheers.